Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Get $5 right now to try the service at plughitzlive.com/privacy.
Hi, Danielle here at PLUGHITZ Live. We're at CES 2019 at the Wizama booth. Can you guys please introduce yourselves for me?
Hello, my name is Frank Botta. I am the founder and CEO of Wizama company.
Hello, my name is Florent Guiton. I'm the co-founder of Wizama.
So what exactly is Wizama? Because this looks really cool.
So Wizama is a young company created 2 years ago, and Wizama creates a board game console.
So this is a board game and a video game?
Yes, we are really in between board games and video games. The initial idea was to bring the young generation around the table, like in board game spirit, because they like the screens, and that's why we created this mix of board games and video game.
So show me how it works and the features it has.
Okay, so on this console, okay, you have here the interface of the console that you can rotate depending on where you are. So, for example, if I'm here, I just take the hand to rotate the interface. So, on this console, you've got here the latest game played. You've got installed games here. You've got also shops so that you can buy directly new games and download it. So for these games, some will use a starter kit that you will provide the console, which is connected cards, connected pawns, and also connected dice. And for some other games, you have a special box of small objects, so like nice figurines, like this one, for example. Or you will have some special cards really dedicated to the game.
And how does that work, the connected devices?
So the connected devices work using NFC technology. So on this console, all of the pawns and figurines are detected on the screen, but also all on the round of the screen. Same for cards. You can detect cards everywhere around the console, and you can locate also the different pieces around.
And is this just a 4-player game, or how does this work with players?
So it's the game are from 1 player to 6 or 8 players, depending on the games. For example, if you have a quiz game, you can have more than 4 players. It's easy. So currently, we have developed 4 games. And we are working with partners to bring more games before launching the product commercially.
Can you show me one of the games?
Yeah, sure. So I can show you, for example, Cosmo Squabble, which is really a game with a video game spirit. That's really nice to play because you get really it's very convivial, very social game. So this game is a game that you play in teams of 2. So one is a driver, and there is a co-pilot, and each team tries to kill the other team. Yeah.
So this game works primarily with cards, or what kind of pieces are we going to use for this game?
So this game works with cards and also figurines. So for example here, okay, if the co-pilot wants to be there, just put the card here. So it's detected, and then when the player is ready, just say I'm ready. You place your pawn here, and then it starts. So as soon as that you touch your figurine, it starts shooting the other team, okay? And then you can play some cards with some special effects, like this one, for example, is to double the number of simultaneous shots. So, for example, if I put it right here, then we have 2 shots now, okay?
All right. So How many games do you guys have starting out?
So we have 4 games already available, and we are 3 games under development. Our objectives also in the CES is really to find some partners to grab a wide range catalog. So we want to have games. Some of the games will be dedicated to this console, okay, designed for this console, and other game will be nice licenses coming from board game or video game industry.
Is this device already on the market, or when does it come out?
So currently it's still a prototype, and we will start some pre-selling end of this year that will be delivered next year. So for us, it's also the time to get a nice catalog of games before launching the product.
And then what is the price point you're expecting, since I know this is a prototype?
So we will have the same price as a video game console when it starts selling. So it will be a bit less than $500. And for this price, we will get the console, but also a starter kit of 54 connected cards, 4 pounds, which are here, and also connected dice.
How does the connected dice work again?
The connected dice works with NFC technology, and it's a patented technology.
And if our viewers want to continue on your journey and find out more about you guys as you guys are, continuing on, where can they go and how can they find out more?
So if you want to find out more, we have a website. So it's a Wizama website, and also Facebook and Twitter account, which is Wizama Play. And for us, it's important to get a big community of people talking about us, and so that when we start to launch a product, it can go quickly. And yeah, that's it.
Well, thank you both for taking the time to speak with me today.
Thank you.
For continuing CES 2019 coverage, stay tuned to plughitzlive.com/CES.